Hello everybody. I'm cutting out my pattern pieces and I thought I would just stop and make a quick video concerning this sleeve piece of the pattern in case you are having problems cutting yours out. If you see right here, this is the center fold of the fabric. This is the center fold of the fabric. So the fabric would be folded here. But the sleeve, let me see if I can back up so you can see the entire sleeve. The sleeve is too large for it to fit on the fold to get your two sleeves cut out. The sleeve is wider from here to here than the fabric is from here, the selvage edge, over to the folded edge. So you have to open the fabric. Let me back up. You have to open the fabric, and I folded it here and brought the fabric all the way down to here to be able to pin the sleeve onto the fabric to get the entire piece on the fabric. I hope I'm explaining it to you. Now I'm making the blouse. Let me get the envelope. I'm making the blouse as a gift for my sister. There it is. That's our blouse that we're making. And remember, my pieces are in the Ziploc bag. And I'm making blouse B. Right there. That's the one that I'm making. So, my sister is short. I folded the sleeve on the pattern. Let me unpin it so you can see it. Let me see where it is. Right here. You see what that says? Lengthen or shorten here. That means you can fold from this line to that line and make the sleeve shorter. If you are making, I'm trying to get it so you won't have that glare. Let's see. Like that. If you are making A, you see A, the sleeve is shorter. You can shorten or lengthen the sleeve here. My sister is short, so I'm going to shorten the pattern here. If you were making A, let me come down, you would cut along this line, or if you were making B. So, all of that's written on your pattern pieces. It's up to you. But I wanted to show you how to cut number 3, which is the sleeve, because it is so wide. I hope that helped you. Now look, if you have any questions, if you don't understand, if I didn't explain it well, just let me know, and I will try to answer your questions, and I'll pop on and show you how to do it. You have a blessed day. Because you know, for the best, it's just gotta be handmade. Bye-bye.